Hello, good afternoon, welcome back. Our topic for today is basket of goods, definition, CPI calculation, and example. A basket of goods refers to a fixed set of consumer products and services that are used to track changes in the prices of goods and services over time. This concept is commonly employed in the calculation of the Consumer Price Index, CPI, a widely used economic indicator that measures the average change in prices paid by consumers for goods and services over time. The calculation of the Consumer Price Index involves the following steps. Selection of the basket of goods. Economists and statisticians choose a representative basket of goods and services that reflects the typical consumption patterns of a specific population. Price data collection. Prices for each item in the basket are collected regularly. These prices represent the cost of the items at specific points in time. Base year comparison. The prices in the base year serve as the reference point. The CPI is calculated relative to this base year. The base year CPI is set to 100. Now let's look at the calculation. Calculation of the index. The CPI is calculated using the formula CPI equals sign, cost of basket in current year, cost of basket in base year, x 100. Example. Let's consider a simplified example. Base year, year 1, cost of basket, $100 CPI for year 1, 100 100ths. X 100 equals sign 100 year 2, cost of basket, $110 CPI for year 2, 110 100ths. X 100 equals sign 110. This indicates a 10% increase in the cost of the basket from the base year to year 2. The CPI serves as an indicator of the general price level changes in the economy. It's important to note that the actual calculation involves numerous goods and services, and the example above is oversimplified for clarity. Additionally, various CPI versions exist, each tailored to different demographic groups or consumption patterns. Output.